Lambo, Differs. Or if you want, you can put Cheeks Lambo next to you, you can double up. I'll allow that. Put it in Corso mode. Jay? Wait. Lambo first. Wait. Differs. You up. Oh, that feels so good. Differs. It's like he's sitting there thinking, my turn. Okay.
Do I make you horny?
Differs. Do you want to use my mic on your exhaust? Okay, right, guys. So you can see this is fair. I'm not judging. You're judging. All right, we get it.
Do I make you horny?
Right, by a round of applause for Ifas. Oh! No, that's out of order, man. Come on, he's my boy right there. That's like one of the main guys behind Piccadilly Boy Races. You can't do that. Yes. That guy right there and Chig are the guys that brought me into the supercar world, yeah? You cannot do that to them. Right, so, once again, a round of applause for Ifas. Yay! Round of applause for SAS. Right. Just so everyone can see how great my friends are, that they stick by their word, especially in competitions. Ifas would like to come forward and donate his £200 in public to make sure everybody can see that he is not that kind of a guy. He is truly a top billionaire boy club. You see that? Billionaire boy club. Okay, so anyway, round of applause for both these guys. Big up yourselves, respect, love both of you. And on to the next one. Drop that tune.